Today's word is
consensus. Consensus is a noun. Consensus. 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 Consensus means general agreement among a group of people.
examples.
The team reached a consensus after the discussion. There is no consensus on the issue yet. The decision was made by consensus. Now it's your turn. Write one sentence using today's word in the comments. Try using this word today. Please subscribe and join with us for daily vocabulary lessons.